Folks, still only using ChatGPT? It's time to level up. Or maybe you're juggling PowerPoint, Excel, Canva, and a dozen other tools just to get work done. There's a smarter way. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're diving into Genspark AI, a true Silicon Valley dark horse. It's already reached a $1 billion valuation, and Genspark just announced that it has hit $155 million ARR in only 10 months. And ARR here means annual run rate, not annual revenue. Such growth only happens when people are actually using it. At the center of it all is Genspark's all-in-one workspace 2.0. It brings multiple AI agents together to get real work done for you. They handle everything from presentations and websites to data analysis and design in one workspace. I'll show you real-life examples of what it can actually do. From quick presentations and websites to stunning visuals, the AI handles it all so you can focus on results. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Guys, Genspark isn't just another AI chat tool. Think of it as a single hub for all your tools. So each agent is built for a specific task, whether it's creating presentations, spreadsheets, websites, or designs. You're not just chatting with the intelligence here. You give it a task, and the platform actually gets it done and delivers a finished result. Folks, let me show you how it works. First, we can connect Genspark to our email. I just ask it to check my latest Gmail. The assistant scans my inbox and gives me a quick summary of what's new. And just like that, I immediately know what needs my attention. It even suggests what to do next, like marking a sandbox email as read, and handles it automatically. That alone makes it feel way less painful. That's actually one of the first agents we tested. Now let's check out AI slides. We've all been there. You have a call with a client or an investor today, but the presentation doesn't exist yet. Instead of opening PowerPoint and spending hours building slides, I just describe the task in plain text. I explain what it should include and the style I want. AI Slides does the rest. It researches the topic and creates everything for me. Alright mates, let's send it off. You can actually watch the agent get to work. It starts by researching the topic I gave it. Once that's done, it moves on to shaping the storyline and organizing the presentation. Friends, and just like that, all 10 slides are ready. I get a quick overview of each one, a breakdown of the design, and a look at what data is included. If I want to tweak anything, I can either use its suggestions or just write my own prompt. The whole presentation comes together in about 3 minutes. No more spending an hour building from scratch. It's basically ready to send to a client. Next up is AI Developer. This agent builds websites and apps from a simple description. I don't need to code or open an editor. I just describe my preferences, and it does the rest. Guys, Genspark starts by asking what I want to build. There are options for complex projects, mobile apps, and even GitHub integration. But for a quick result, I go with simple website or web app. So all I have to do is describe my idea. For example, I want a website for a personal tech consultant. AI Developer takes care of everything, creating a full landing page with no coding or setup needed. In just a few minutes, it is ready. It generates all the files, highlights the key features, and shows exactly what it created using AI. Folks, now we have got a professional site. It is complete with a contact form, a clear call to action, and a ready-to-use interface. That's everything you need to get started. Under the hood, there's real HTML, CSS, and JS. You can explore it all in the File Explorer if you want. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Mates, you can even build a full backend with a connected database and publish the site directly through the service. You can view it on their domain or deploy it to external hosting using a simple step-by-step guide. And here's the best part. I just tell the AI developer what I want to change, and it updates everything for me. I can keep improving the site over time and use it long-term. Now let's move on to AI Sheets. Friends, working with data and numbers is super important, and this is where it really shines. Instead of writing complicated formulas or digging through tables manually, I just explain what I want in plain language. I can ask it to analyze the data and highlight patterns, summarize key points, or visualize it in charts. AI Sheets gets the structure and does all the heavy lifting for me. It can help with budgeting, financial analysis, forecasts, or pretty much any data-driven task. And just like the other agents, I don't have to switch tools or export files. Everything happens right inside the same workspace. Guys, that means less time on technical work and more time making decisions and seeing results. That's the power of Genspark. You get one workspace, multiple assistants, and real tasks handled from start to finish. And one more highlight worth mentioning is that AI Sheets 2.0 can automatically run SQL queries. It can also export everything to Excel while keeping all formulas and formatting intact. Folks, now let's check out the AI Sheets agent. At first glance, it looks just like a regular Excel spreadsheet, but the key difference is that you don't need to know any formulas. I just describe what I need and the results I want. Friends, AI Sheets creates the table, fills it with realistic data, calculates totals, and even builds charts. Instead of wrestling with formulas, I'm focusing on the logic of the task. It's like thinking like an analyst, while AI handles all the routine work. You can actually see it working on the table based on my prompt. And just like that, the table is ready. It gives a summary of the dataset, explains what was made, and clearly shows what the table represents. Guys, here's the final result. A sheet created exactly the way I wanted. I can save it to Notion, turn it into slides, or export it as an XLSX file to open in Excel. Also, I want to show you a tool that can speed up your workflow 4 times. It's called Speakly. Instead of typing prompts, you just speak. This isn't basic phone voice input, folks. It's a smart assistant that cleans up pauses and filler words, fixes grammar, and formats the text automatically. Let's try it. I press the FN key for dictation and double-click FN to activate Genspark Agent mode. Create a marketing plan for Echo headphones. After I speak, you can see the clean result ready to send for generation. Mates, another great feature is Genspark Agent mode by voice. You simply double-press FN and speak a task. No typing, no browser. Generate a hyper-realistic product image of sustainable bamboo headphones in nature settings, cinematic lighting, 8K resolution. And the AI gets it perfectly, even with pauses. Key highlights. Speakly lets you input text up to 4 times faster than typing, edits intelligently, removes filler words, and formats text professionally. Friends, it can even translate on the fly. You speak in your language, and it outputs another immediately. Genspark Agent mode works anywhere there's a cursor: Slack, Notion, VS Code, Gmail, and more. Everything happens in one workspace, from email and presentations to websites and design. You even get the chat, videos, and meeting notes all in the same place. These are all AI agents working together. There's no need to juggle dozens of separate services or keep switching between tabs. Everything's built into one unified workspace, Genspark Workspace. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. What really sets Genspark AI apart is how seamless everything feels. You're not wrestling with multiple tools or fiddling with settings. You just describe what you want, and the AI agents handle it. Whether it's presentations, websites, design, or videos, everything happens in one workspace, and the results are ready to use immediately. Guys, remember that Genspark offers unlimited use of AI chat and AI image features throughout the entire year of 2026. You get access to top models like GPT 5.2, Claude 4.6, and Nano Banana Pro. This lets you create, generate, and explore without any limits. On top of that, Genspark provides free credits when you sign up, and the subscription is surprisingly affordable. Starting at only $19.99 per month, it replaces multiple separate AI tools. That means you save money while getting everything in one workspace. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.